If you're wondering how to fix the non-tradable symbol in TradingView, if you, for example, see a non-tradable symbol message when trying to trade, first you have to make sure that you have selected the correct symbol for trading with Wanda. Please choose Wanda first in the search. You can see here, this is an example with the drag down menu here. You have to make sure to first to choose the right pairs. You may want to enable the checkbox to show the markets you can trade with the broker in the symbol search. For example, here, when you check it on, you will see what you can trade with. And that's actually as simple as that. You have to make sure you choose the right pairs, so this non-tradable symbol won't be there anymore. And that's the most common issue that most of you guys have. So I hope this was helpful, because this was the official article by TradingView, and that's what you have to do to solve that issue with your non-tradable symbol. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next guide very soon.